Priyasakhi movie Sumamri in English. Sandana Krishnan, also known as Sakhi, is an automobile company employee who lives in a joint family. He comes across a model named Priya and becomes attracted to her. Sakhi uses Priya's friend to gain her attention. He later comes across her diary and uses it to make Priya fall for him by posing as her ideal guy. Sakhi tricks Priya and his family, tells them lies about how Priya is the ideal bride and fits well into their family, and they get married. Unlike Sakhi's conservative family, Priya's wealthy family is cosmopolitan and outgoing. Her mother is a party-going socialite, while her father restricts himself to his house and is generally ignored by his wife. Priya is accustomed to being independent. Brought up with modern values, Priya finds it hard to adjust with the family of Sakhi, since they believe in different values. Sakhi goes about life as usual, as in before he got married, and puts his family before Priya. He tells Priya that they will be going to the movies, but Priya discovers too late that the date includes his entire family. When Priya points out that as newlyweds, any wife would want expect their first outgoing would be just them, not a battalion, an angered Sakhi tells her how he wants his family with him. Sakhi hands out the necklace Priya purchases for herself to his sister in front of his entire family because she liked it, without asking Priya first. Priya is upset, but refrains from making a scene, instead choosing to berate Sakhi in private. Sakhi tells Priya that if she likes that necklace she could use it whenever she wants, as it stays in the family anyhow. Priya mentions that Sakhi had no right to offer her stuff to someone else, and she is only mentioning that he has a bad attitude so he will correct it. They frequently fight because he and Priya are from two different worlds. Eventually, Priya becomes pregnant. Sakhi is overjoyed, but Priya has doubts, as she isn't mentally prepared, and also because she thinks their constant fights will have a negative influence on the child. Priya also argues that it has only been 4 months into their marriage and she is still too young, but they can have kids later. However, Sakhi wants the child. Priya is miserable but still decides to carry the baby to term for Sakhi and mentions to her mother about her situation. Priya's mother makes an appointment for her to have an abortion. Sakhi finds out in time and rushes to the hospital where a reluctant Priya is being pulled towards the operation theatre by her mother. Priya is injured at the hospital in an accident and Sakhi takes her back to his home to recover. They fight again, and Sakhi forgets Priya's birthday and belatedly wishes her. On her birthday, before the party, Priya finds her old diary in Sakhi's suitcase, and the two have an epic argument in which she accuses him of tricking her into loving and marrying him. Sakhi hits her in front of guests, and she leaves to her parents' house. She expresses her desire to get divorced, and also to abort the child. Sakhi challenges her decision and takes her to court. The judge rules that Priya will have to continue her pregnancy, after which the baby's custody goes to Sakhi. Sakhi moves into Priya's parents' house with her to take care of his unborn child, claiming he doesn't trust them, as they might try to abort his baby. After delivery, Priya moves back in with Sakhi's family for a period of 2 months to feed and care for the child. As time passes, Priya becomes extremely attached to the child and is unwilling to leave. She eventually agrees to give full custody to Sakhi since she sees how much he loves the baby. Heartbroken, Priya leaves with her parents. In the car, her mother happily speaks of another possible husband for Priya, while Priya is devastated to leave Sakhi and their child. Finally, Priya's father stands up to his wife and encourages Priya to reconcile with her husband. Priya gets out of the car and stands on the road, unsure of what to do and where to go. Sakhi meets her on the street. The two ask each other for forgiveness and reconcile.